This is unit number 17, in which you are going to learn about the something about introduction to Webometrics. You will be introduced to the concept of Webometrics and the various Webometric analysis that are found in the literature. In this unit, you are going to introduce how this method can be used for measuring and quantifying web phenomenon, which includes hyperlink analysis and social media technologies.
Link analysis. Link analysis is the quantitative study of hyperlinks between web pages. Early Webometrics studies have conducted this type of research extensively. Link analysis has been used in Webometrics study for identifying the patterns in academic or scholarly web spaces. Link analysis are direct analogies to traditional bibliometric studies. In traditional bibliometric-related studies, the researcher often used to done studies by measuring or quantifying the research contributions of an organization or researcher. In a similar way, link analysis can be done by identifying how popular a website is, which link of website or page is more popular and why. This kind of research can be done using link analysis in Webometrics. What you are seeing is the graph which shows the link analysis taken from a study. Link analysis is the quantitative study of hyperlinks between web pages. Link analysis helps researchers to identify how popular a website is, which link of website or web page is more popular and why. Link relationships across websites or pages. The ranking web of universities or Webometrics ranking is one of the best examples for link analysis of academic university websites. Another key area of Webometrics research is web citation analysis. Web citation analysis is nothing but counting online citations to published items such as journal articles. Earlier, bibliographic citations found in traditional citation indexing databases such as SCI, SSCI, and H and ACI were considered as a major source for identifying the impact of research publications. The web provided new method to overcome the limitations of the bibliographic citation databases by helping in finding web citations for articles published online largely for open access journals. Research on web citation have found that there was correlation between the citations found in bibliographic citations and citation found on the web for particular research papers. The introduction of Google Scholar has helped biometricians to use the citation database to identify the impact of the research publications easily. Because of introduction of open source tools such as Google Scholar and Nettometrics, the research in this area has been considerable growth in recent time. Search engine evaluation. Another key area of research that has done in Webometrics is evaluating the search engines. The major Webometrics studies have concentrated on the coverage of the web and accuracy of the reported results. It was known that none of these search engines have indexed whole of the information available on the web. Still, 70% of the information available on the web has not been indexed by any of the search engines. The reliability and validity of the data obtained through commercial engines was also very continuous issues in Webometrics. Many studies have raised validity and reliability of data obtained through search engines. Many of the search engines such as AltaVista, Yahoo and Bing now have stopped providing advanced link search commands feature which were used extensively in beginning of Webometric research. The development of web crawling programs and availability of API, that is, Application Programming Interface, from different information processing industry have now helped to expand Webometrics research in other social science domain. Web data analysis or measuring Web 2.0. As web evolved over the years, Webometrics has expanded its research base by measuring academic websites to other domain of research area of social sciences. Availability of web crawler and API has helped in extracting larger sets of data easily on the web. Webometric has been now using measuring new media tools or Web 2.0 technologies such as blogs, YouTube, Twitter and Facebook and other social media tools. Webometrics has now become major tool to study social phenomenon occurring in social media. There are many tools that have been developed for data gathering for Webometrics research. Major ones are Webometric Analyst, Soxibot. Both of them have been developed by Statistical Cybermetrics Research Group at the University of Wolverhampton, UK. This team is led by Mike Thelwell. To explore further on Webometrics research, visit the following link: cybermetrics.wlv.ac.uk/index.html, www.scit.wlv.ac.uk/mycv.html. Other data gathering tools that needs to be mentioned here are Nettometrics for measuring online research impact, integrated online impact indicators developed by Kevin Kosha of Statistical Cybermetrics Research Group, University of Wolverhampton, UK.
As a conclusion, I can say that you have successfully understood the concept and the connotation of the term Webometrics. You have also understood the growth and development of Webometrics as a discipline or as a research area. We hope you have got an bird's eye view of Webometric research and its application in library and information science, and you have learnt various tools and techniques that are used in Webometrics.